Hello, my name's Vicky. I'm from the Early Childhood and Family Service, and I'd just like to talk about making paintbrushes using natural items. So you could go into the woods on your nature walk, or even I found these in my garden. I found an assortment of sticks and then just got something to tie them on. So I used wool or string, and then these can become excellent paintbrushes which will all make different shapes and patterns on the paper. So continuing my nature theme, I thought it'd be good to make nature portraits. So just get some card. This one's from a cereal packet, and make an oval shape. And then I found some sticks which represent hair. This represents the eyebrows and the eyes, the nose and the mouth. So whatever you can find in your garden or on your nature walk. I then stuck this on a stick, but any ideas would be welcome. On this final piece, again found some card, and you could ask your child or children to make patterns around the edge using wax crayon or felt tip pens. We then walked around the garden and picked some different flowers and stuck them on. You can either use sticky back sellotape or PVA glue. Let it dry and then make some holes and put elastic string or wool through so that your child can wear it as a fairy. Then they can run around the garden and be their own little fairies and look very, very pretty.